Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's captivating journey, we are about to unlock the secrets of nature and dive deep into the hidden lives of animals. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the fascinating insights into their behaviors, survival techniques, and remarkable adaptations. Understanding the animal kingdom is like unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge. So, let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Animal communication. Communication is key in the animal kingdom. From the enchanting songs of birds to the intricate dances of bees, animals have developed various ways to convey messages. Vocalizations, body language, chemical signals, and even electrical signals play vital roles in their interactions. Take, for instance, the mesmerizing songs of humpback whales or the complex communication system of honeybees. Each species has its unique language, enabling them to convey information about territories, mating rituals, danger, and more. Survival techniques. Survival in the wild is no easy task. Animals have evolved incredible techniques to adapt to their environments. Camouflage allows creatures like chameleons and leaf insects to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Some animals go into hibernation during harsh winters, while others embark on epic migratory journeys to find food and suitable breeding grounds. Defense mechanisms like the venomous spines of lionfish or the mimicry of harmless insects imitating toxic ones provide protection against predators. Parental care. Parental care is a vital aspect of animal life. Some species exhibit extraordinary nurturing behaviors, while others adopt unique strategies. From the protective nature of lionesses guarding their cubs to the fascinating brood parasitism seen in cuckoos, animals showcase diverse parenting techniques. Cooperative parenting, as observed in social insects like ants and bees, is another intriguing example of shared responsibilities. Social structures. Animals thrive in social structures, where they establish hierarchies and form bonds. The intricate dynamics within packs of wolves or prides of lions display a fascinating balance of power and cooperation. Social insects like bees and ants work together for the benefit of the entire colony, dividing tasks and communicating through chemical signals. These social interactions contribute to the survival and well-being of their species. Animal intelligence. Animals display remarkable intelligence in their daily lives. Some species exhibit problem-solving skills, employ tool usage, and demonstrate memory and learning capabilities. For example, elephants exhibit an astonishing ability to remember intricate migration routes, while dolphins showcase their intelligence through collaborative hunting techniques. The cognitive abilities of animals continue to surprise and amaze scientists. Courtship and mating rituals. Courtship and mating rituals are among nature's most enchanting displays. From the flamboyant dances of birds of paradise to the mesmerizing firefly light shows, animals go to great lengths to attract mates. The extravagant peacock feathers and intricate bird songs serve as elaborate displays of male prowess. These rituals ensure successful reproduction and the continuation of their species. Foraging and hunting strategies. Animals have developed diverse foraging and hunting strategies to meet their dietary needs. Wolves utilize coordinated pack hunting, while spiders employ intricate web-building techniques to catch their prey. Some animals have specialized adaptations, such as the long tongues of anteaters or the powerful beaks of birds of prey, aiding them in securing food. The delicate balance between predator and prey shapes ecosystems worldwide. Ecosystem engineers. Animals often serve as ecosystem engineers, significantly influencing their habitats. Beavers, with their dam-building activities, create new wetland habitats that benefit a variety of species. Elephants shape their environment by toppling trees and creating clearings, which promotes the growth of grasslands and provides food for other herbivores. These actions have a profound impact on the landscape and the overall biodiversity of the ecosystem. Symbiotic relationships. Animals engage in fascinating symbiotic relationships, where two or more species depend on each other for survival. Mutualism, where both species benefit, can be seen in the relationship between pollinators like bees and flowers. Commensalism, where one species benefits while the other is unaffected, is exemplified by birds nesting in trees. Parasitism, where one species benefits at the expense of another, can be observed in the relationship between ticks and mammals. These intricate connections highlight the interdependence of species and the delicate balance of nature. Animal migration. The phenomenon of animal migration is awe-inspiring. From the annual journey of wildebeest in Africa to the incredible migration of monarch butterflies across continents, animals undertake epic migrations in search of food, breeding grounds, or better climates. They navigate vast distances, relying on instinct, celestial cues, and environmental factors. Migration showcases the resilience and adaptability of animals, as they face numerous challenges along the way. Now that we've explored the fascinating world of animal life, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Let's put your understanding of nature to the test and see how well you've grasped these concepts. Are you ready to show off your expertise? Let's dive into the quiz segment. Question 1. Which of the following animals uses echolocation to navigate and find prey? A. Tiger. B. Bat. C. Elephant. D. Penguin. The correct answer is B. Bat. Question 2. Which animal is known for its ability to camouflage and change colors? A. Lion. B. Octopus. C. Giraffe. D. Kangaroo. The correct answer is B. Octopus. Question 3. Which bird is famous for its long migration journey from the Arctic to Antarctica? A. Sparrow. B. Flamingo. C. Albatross. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is C. Albatross. Question 4. What is the largest land animal on Earth? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Rhino. D. Hippopotamus. The correct answer is A. Elephant. Question 5. Which of the following animals is known for its ability to regenerate its limbs? A. Turtle. B. Lizard. C. Salamander. D. Snake. The correct answer is C. Salamander. Question 6. What is the primary function of a lion's mane? A. Camouflage. B. Attracting mates. C. Protection from predators. D. Enhancing hearing. The correct answer is B. Attracting mates. Question 7. Which animal is capable of producing venom? A. Spider. B. Bee. C. Ant. D. Butterfly. The correct answer is A. Spider. Question 8. Which of the following animals is a herbivore? A. Wolf. B. Lion. C. Gorilla. D. Cheetah. The correct answer is C. Gorilla. Question 9. What is the largest species of shark? A. Great white shark. B. Hammerhead shark. C. Whale shark. D. tiger shark? The correct answer is C. Whale shark. Question 10. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A. Parrot. B. Eagle. C. Crow. D. Owl. The correct answer is A. Parrot. Question 11. Which animal has the longest lifespan? A. Elephant. B. Turtle. C. Whale. D. Gorilla. The correct answer is B. Turtle. Question 12. Which creature is capable of producing silk? A. Spider. B. Snail. C. Crab. D. Fish. The correct answer is A. Spider. Question 13. Which animal is known for its ability to navigate using the Earth's magnetic field? A. Penguin. B. Dolphin. C. Sea turtle. D. Salmon. The correct answer is C. Sea turtle. Question 14. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Tiger. The correct answer is A. Cheetah. Question 15. Which of the following animals hibernates during winter? A. Squirrel. B. Rabbit. C. Bat. D. Bear. The correct answer is D. Bear. Congratulations on completing the quiz. We hope you enjoyed the challenge and gained new insights into the fascinating world of animals. Throughout this video, we explored various aspects of animal life, including communication, survival techniques, parental care, social structures, intelligence, courtship, foraging, ecosystem engineering, symbiotic relationships, and migration. Each topic provided a glimpse into the remarkable diversity and complexity of the animal kingdom. As we continue our journey of discovery, let us remember the vital importance of conservation in protecting these incredible creatures and their habitats. By understanding and appreciating their lives, we can contribute to the preservation of our planet's biodiversity. If you found this video engaging and informative, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. We value your feedback, so please leave your thoughts and comments on the topic below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting adventures in our upcoming videos.